Morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. Here we are starting off at Space Weather Prediction Center.noaa.gov, and you can see our M class from yesterday in the long drawn-out release of plasma, arcing down into the living in B class, and it looks like we had maybe a high B class here. But pay attention to this and remember this: we're pretty much just in B class, right? Nothing else. Nothing else coming. What was this? Something happened here. We'll have to go take a peek at that. What is this? Where'd this come from? Is that the M class that just hit us? Is that what this is? Well, what is this here then? I don't know. But also look over here at the ASMAG Sweepham, Swep'em, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. But I mean, you've got your density, your speed, your temperature. They shut it off at 11 o'clock last night. They either shut it off or it's pegged out. Which one? I'm confused. I don't get it. I really don't. In fact, let's take a look up here at Enlil's prediction model and see what they got. So apparently we've been under an event mode, getting hammered, and then it just kind of dies down. Wait a minute here. What is this catching up to us here? This is the Earth. Boom, we're getting hit by something, by a little bit of something. Well, I'm confused. Where did that come from? That's interesting. So that 11:11, we're getting hit right now. And then we got another one coming on the 16th. Looks like. Or the 15th, actually. Yeah. Right about there. Alright, folks. Let's try and get back to where we were. Sorry, from the storm, the people were here with chainsaws and cutting everything up and trying to take care of everything, so apologize for that. And now we can actually get to where we need to be. So from here we saw the impact, but let's go over to here, shall we? European Space Agency. This shows a much different one. This is where we're at, getting hit here. So I'm actually going to do something here and see what happens. So it shows us being peaked right here. Oh, come on, you got this bloody wonder. Right about there on the 13th, 4 a.m. UTC time. Now, let's see what happens when I actually update it. Let's see if it changes, because I actually had that happen to me this morning, and I was like, wait a minute, what in the heck is going on here? Let's see. Let's watch her live. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Well, looks like it hasn't changed, so that's good. That's actually honest. And the thing is that what they're showing us being impacted by, they're actually more honest than we are on our side, because let me show you what's been going on. And of course, what you're hearing in the background, dishwasher. But here we are at 11:10. Now watch this. Today is 11:11. Right? So here we go. 11:11 at midnight. 12 minutes. So like 11:11, probably 11. Look at this. What is that? Something's coming out of the sun. Today is a portal of some sort. I wonder if our sun is the portal. It's like a wormhole. I don't know. But take a peek. You can clearly see that something is here. Possibly even here as well. But as you see, do you see it spinning? Actually, I think it's actually right here. But if you watch, you'll actually see this spinning around what we're talking about here. Look at that. Do you see the cloud kind of spinning around it? There it is. Something coming out of there. Oh, what is that coming out of there? Oh, hey there, little fella. Hey, buddy. How you doing? So, we got that, and then we got another one that's going to come out right here. But NASA is reporting nothing. Neither is Enlil, NOAA. Look at that. Coming, that's right in our direction, folks. Oh, they're going to try slowing me up now. Ah, turkeys. Oh, yeah, look at that. Coming right at us. Oh, looks like that might be one of the guys right there. I mean, the river. Whoa, hey, there's one. Hey there, bud. How you doing? Now, we've also got some activity. We'll go take a look at seeds here in a little bit. And I'll show you something magical. So now we'll get rid of him. Click on this one. Oh, she's going to be slow on me. Be right back. Okay. This is almost hilarious. I love catching people with their pants down, so to speak. Not literally, but metaphorically. Watch this, folks. Now, obviously, we have... Watch what happens here. So that one's pushing off. Getting closer to midnight. Alright. Watch what happens. They actually shut it off. And then they backlay it and then show it coming out. They don't want you to catch on to the times. It's hilarious. It's like, what are you doing, you guys? Okay. Here we go. Get ready. Alright, so there's 6 minutes after. Now, granted, this is further away. Okay, you can see how much smaller the surface of the sun is, so this is quite a bit of distance to travel. Okay, fair enough. Here we go. Watch this. All of a sudden it appears at 54 minutes. Look, all of a sudden it appears, and of course you can clearly see it in this one quite well here. And now, where'd it go? Look at this, from 54, so from almost 1 o'clock, and now we're to 1:30. We're missing 36 minutes of data. That's 3 frames, and then it disappeared? What? That doesn't make any sense. Now, but wait, there's more. It gets better. You right? Watching? Here we go. It's getting ready to start coming out the right side now. Now look at. Oh. Now all of a sudden, they're going to show it. What? What are you doing? Come on. Now they want to show it coming out? Come on, man. It's almost hilarious. It's like, we're not that stupid. You know, a lot of us aren't. Oh, how you doing there, buddy? Look at that. They're driving right by, or flying by, rather. Right as it's coming out. Look at that. Nice and round. Coming out. Ooh, and if you notice, you can see this one here catching up to it. Almost like it was a secondary craft or something coming out. Or a secondary planet, or whatever our sun is pushing off, or giving birth to. However that you want to word that or work it. But look, you can clearly see it right here inside of the plasma. It's right here in the middle, and you got the plasma pushing off. I know y'all can see it. Look at that. There's clearly something there. So if people want to think, oh, they don't fudge with the time, they don't do. Oh, really? And what is this here? This line of Memorex. What is that? They don't. Oh, wait a minute. Did it go backwards? It did. Look at that. It goes backwards again. And then picks back up. Come on, folks. They're hiding and splicing and doing Memorex so much, it's retarded. So, oh, look at this. What's coming out underneath? Another flare. With what? plasma coronal mass ejection. Coming at you. Now, we got that taken care of. Let us go check out seeds. Okay, I'll actually go here, close it out, do a quick update. Be right back. We're in seeds. First picture frame of the day. See that right there? See it right there? Now let us move ahead. Now watch it. Watch it here and watch it over here. Boom. Here's the next frame. You can clearly see it here, and you can really see it right here. Here, look, watch this. See it? Right here. Very easy to see. Even easier. I mean, let's be real. You see it here, and you see it pushing, the plume is pushing out. You know what I mean? So you can clearly see it here. It's just lit up in orange. And the other thing, if you watch this and notice this, it blinks. Why is it blinking? See, look. Like negative, positive. Negative, positive. 1, 2, 3 maybe? Now notice all the lines that they got going on in here, trying to mess it up. Look at that start, negative, positive. Negative, positive. Very interesting, isn't it, folks? Oh, no. Oh, wait a minute. Watch off the left side, too, now. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Now, a lot of people will be looking up here, which is good. But we need to watch down here, too. Look at this. Right here. Look right here. Do you see this cup shape? This is cup-shaped. Because there's something here that it's pushing and it has to go around it. See it? See it cup-shaped? Off. Like, ooh! Back up off me, bruh! And as you can see here, and here, there is something there that's being pushed. It's not a plasma ball, or ball of plasma. But the other thing, I'm hoping everybody's watching this. It blinks. Negative, positive, negative, positive. Let's do it. Go through real quick. Negative, positive, negative, positive. Look at that. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. What in the world is that? I don't know. You tell me. There's another one right here. There it is, going up. So, now that we got that going on, everybody, let's take a look at our forecast for weather-wise, and I'm hoping everybody kind of understands what's going on here. Excuse me. Do you see how this is rotating? And this is rotating. And this is rotating. Oh, opposite direction of this one. This one's rotating. This one's rotating. What do you call those? Hurricanes. Watch this. Oh, come on. Come on. This is not wanting to cooperate. Hold the phone. I actually got it to center up. We are at 1 knot, right dead center of that. That happens with a hurricane. It's called, the calm, the eye of the storm of a hurricane is calm, no wind, 1 knot, like 1 mile an hour, or 2, whatever, however the knots work out, but it's very low, very minimal. We'll see if this will actually let me move it. Not. Oh, all of a sudden it's 9 as soon as I moved it. Here we are at 49 knots, right in the middle of it. That's indicative of a hurricane. So come to windy.com, start looking around your area and see what's going on. All these hurricanes. Why? What would cause that? Pressure? Why are we getting pressure? I don't know. What else would that cause? The other thing it will cause is earthquakes. What happens along these tectonic plates? I mean, things are moving. We're getting pressure. So the earth is like being squeezed and pulled and pushed and twisted because of gravity. Solar winds. Plasma ejections. I mean, it's like Mike Tyson punching the earth when he was in his prime. Just wham! It's hurting. So pay attention, folks. Start watching this update for you later. Bye.